Check the grain on this lion skin. Feels ready for the next stage. All right, team, guide them up the ramps. Steady now. This way, up the ramp. Good, keep them moving. Steady, big guy. Up the ramp. Good. Now the other one. Easy now, keep moving. Easy now, line it up with the platform. Cage secure, checking the locks.
Heart rate is steady.
Joints are good, no swelling.
Check the monitor. Vitals are stable. Initiating scan now. Data received. Vitals are stable.
Lion's moving to drying section now. Monitoring controls, all systems green. Perfect. Absolutely majestic. She's flawless, ready for the exit. Escort them to the carpet. Adjusting pH to 4.3, temperature stable, flow rate up to 1 liters per minute. These rolls are prepped. Let's get them on the line. Copy that. This one is next. Weight is stable at 1 kilo.
Next one is on its way.
Scanning this batch for lot tracking.
This one goes to the premium section.
System confirms. Next batch incoming. Batch A45678 moving to prep. Temp is stable at 18.5.
Matching the rosettes here. Seam alignment looks good. Pattern continuity is perfect. This one goes in the front case.
Got it. This beige one is next.
Perfect. Let's keep it moving. Collar alignment is spot on. Zipper moves smoothly. Quality metrics look excellent.
Stacking this pallet for shipment.
Got it. Next batch ready.
Perfect. Keep it steady. All right, bring it in. Coming in. Steady, steady. Good.